Hello and welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. It's a beautiful day out here this afternoon. I'm going to show you this 2014 Lance 2385. It's actually got some really neat features to it. It's kind of an odd floor plan, and it is a pre-owned piece of inventory here. We do sell new Lances as well. This is a 14. It has a rear bedroom too. It's actually really cool. We're going to go inside and take a look, but I want to show you some of the storage and features outside as well. So let's walk around the unit real quick. But before we go around the corner, it's got power tongue jack, dual propane tanks, and a spot for your batteries and the spare tires up front. And it has this nice window up front that lifts up. You can get inside there and have a nice light into the front kitchen that this is. Storage compartment here that looks a little short because it has the pull out on the other side that does come this way as well, and I'll go to the other side and I'll show you that. As we make our way down, your water connections, an outdoor shower, and some other nice features are here. Slide out, big slide out in this trailer. Big storage area right there under the back of the dinette. So let's move around here. I want to show you a nice thing too. If you notice, it also has an awning topper over the slide out, which is a great feature it already has on there. Somebody has put on a really nice rack on the back of this. So you have a little storage compartment on the back of there, and it looks like it's done pretty well. As we kind of make our way to the main side here, you're going to see big windows. You're going to have lots of room on the side. An awning, yet again, is all the way about the size of the whole thing. It is a power awning, outdoor speakers, porch light, power lights here. And then I want to show you this front bay. Check out this bay right here. You got a little storage here, but it's got this pull-out tray for your gear. It's long enough to put fishing poles, anything in there. It goes in there another foot or so. It's pretty long, nice and deep storage. You can use it for whatever you like. Easy to get all your gear out of there. It also has a pass-through front storage here. That's just a round circle for your dump hose or anything like that you want to store. It does have an LP hookup here for an auxiliary hookup for propane tanks, anything like that. So let's jump on in here and I'll show you this front of this guy first. It's a kitchen. So it has a ton of counter space up in the front. Like I said, it's kind of an original floor plan. You got your kitchen here, you got cabinets all the way around that are deep all the way, fridge is behind me, microwave, oven, counter space, dual sink. Kind of an interesting floor plan, but pretty cool as far as the space you do have in the kitchen. Pull out racks, and you could put a chair or something here or a table. As you kind of make your way to the back, you get into where the slide out is. And the slide out is here, and you're going to have the big booth dinette that also makes into a large bed. And as you kind of come back, let's look in the bathroom real quick as we come towards the back of the unit. Bathroom, also storage in there. Shower, kind of a seating shower if you will in there. Little TV here. Before you come back to the bedroom, I want to show you this door. This is a little wider of an area here, so it feels really large as far as getting into the bedroom. It doesn't feel confined really, and it has this nice double door that actually comes all the way out and shuts, so you have privacy. So that way you can still shut off your bedroom and have private bedroom, but it's not separated from the space. It's kind of nice. So I'll tell you what, if you look in here, you have a walk-around queen bed that's also in the slide out. You have a lot of room back here, big windows on both sides of the bedroom, awesome storage all the way around, closet storage here, closet storage here. You're going to have storage on this thing. Nice pull-down shades, sunshades, night shades. I mean, it's a beautiful day out there today, so I'd probably leave them all up myself today. Storage under the bed, I believe, as well. This has got a lot of neat features. It has the cavity here that the bed actually goes in because that's part of the slide out. But if you had a little portable chair or something, you could put here and use it as a desk or something. But this piece and any other pieces of inventory here at Guaranty in Junction City, I'm happy to help you. My name is Kirk.Blair, Captain Kirk. If you would ask for me or give me a call on my cell at 541-601-8742. Hope you're having a great day and looking forward to helping you out. Thank you.